The magical science behind the law of attraction. The law of attraction is not magical nonsense. It is a law that is working around you just like gravity does. And it is grounded in simple quantum physics. Einstein showed us that energy and matter are two sides of the same coin. In his theory of relativity, E equals mc squared. The entire universe is made up of energy, vibrating at different frequencies. The same energy that exists all over the universe exists within us. Energy, therefore, is at the basis of all physical reality. Energy is vibrating at different speeds. Those speeds determine what we see as solid matter, and also what we cannot perceive. It is the energy we cannot perceive yet as solid matter that is the magic of the law of attraction. To attract what you desire, you must match the frequency of it. You have to find the energetic frequency of it and vibrate there too. That means to attract happiness, you must feel happy. To attract love, you must feel love. There are 3 easy steps to getting on the same energetic frequency as your desires. 1. Find the feeling place of it. 2. Act, speak, and be like you already have it. 3. Take what positive action you can towards it. The law of attraction is just about matching energetic frequency through your thoughts, feelings, and emotions. It is always within your control to find happy, loving, hopeful thoughts. You can start small, or you can dream big. Everything you dream of is possible in this energy-based universe. So take a leap of faith. Control what is within your control regarding your dream, and then leave the rest up to the simple science of the law of attraction. Discover the magic to raising your vibration quickly. Click below to find out more.